Okay, now don't kick him, okay?
Very gentle.
He's walking.
It's okay, buddy.
Look at Mommy, Alan.
It's okay, Fernando.
I'm just patting him. This girl? She's chicken.
What do you think about that, Alan?
She's a girl.
You just like rodeoing him.
Mommy, I don't know what clock your iPhone says.
You want to see what o'clock it is? It is 2:30 o'clock. 2:32. We probably should go soon, boys. This little mister might actually catch another nap. Take a picture of me taking a picture of you, Rocky?
Thomas, do you want to sit on Fernando and take your picture?
You want to sit on the donkey and get your picture?
I'll hold you.
I want to go back to the house, but I don't want to ride in the safari wagon when we go back to the house. I want to ride in our
Sugar and London
ride in my car.
London's going to have a birthday.
I don't know. I think y'all are fixing to go this time.
No, we don't get on Sugar because she's young. Let's get on him, okay?
You want to get on Fernando's, sweetie?
Fernando?
Yeah.
No, because she has a little tongue.
It's okay. I'll take a picture of you.
No.
I'm going to hold on to you.
Look, smile at Mommy.
Can you smile?
What'd you think about that, Thomas?
You want to take a picture of you?
He doesn't like that, Alan. He doesn't like you blowing in his nose.
Yeah, don't get him aggravated.
That'll make him.
That's like pulling the cat's tail. And you
Yeah.
know, Thomas is right here, so if you pull that tail, Thomas, you know what's going to happen? That foot is going to go and kick you in the face.
You want to look at his foot?
And it would really hurt. It could break your nose.
Give back. See his foot? Did you see that?
He didn't like that, did he, Thomas?
I would do that again.
Well, let me do the front. He's much better about the front. Here. Good boy. He doesn't like to walk three-legged, does he?
Guess what our cats don't like?
What?
If we pull their tails.
Yeah.
We don't like if we pull their tails.